Everybody wants the big win, the million-dollar idea, the one moment that changes everything. But here's the truth. Wealth is not an event, it's a process. The people you admire, the entrepreneurs, the billionaires, they didn't just stumble into success. They built it piece by piece. Think about something as simple as a cake. You don't just magically get a cake. You need the ingredients. You need to mix them. You need to bake them. That final cake you see, that's just the event, the result. But behind it is a process. Entrepreneurs think the same way. They take small events, finding suppliers, building systems, hiring the right people, and they connect them into a process that creates value. So if you're on your journey, stop chasing just the end result. Ask yourself, what events can I connect together? What steps can I repeat, refine, and improve until they work like a machine? Because that's what separates dreamers from builders. Dreamers chase the cake. Builders master the recipe. And here's the key: billionaires don't buy events, they buy processes. They invest in systems that work over and over again, without them having to show up every single time. If you want wealth, stop waiting for the perfect event. Start building the process. Because wealth doesn't show up once, it shows up every time your process works. So remember, wealth is a process, not an event. Don't just want the cake, but learn to bake. And once you master the recipe, you can feed the world.